Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, which was very simple. And you people have already done it many times before. This is the world famous articles, and you have read it since class 1. Now, just look at the BLIFT because today we are going to be using indefinite and definite articles. So we are definitely using them. Now, this is your focus look like. We are going to be looking at a few examples of the indefinite articles and few examples of the definite articles. Now, indefinite and definite are the types of articles. So, indefinite is a and, come on, say it with me, and, absolutely right. And the definite one is the. So, we are going to be looking at the examples of both of these articles. Now, indefinite articles are a and an. Now, let's look. We use it when things are not specific, very general. Very general. They are not special. And if we are using the noun for the first time, remember, non-specific, very general, and we are using them for the first time. Now, look at this example. First of all, we use a before consonant. Number 1 rule is this, and the number 2 rule is this, when the things are not specific. So, I saw a dog in the park. Why I have used a? Because D is consonant and this dog is non-specific. This is not any specific or very important dog. This is just a random dog. Now, let's look at this example. We use an with the vowel sound. Why? Because an apple, where apple is starting with the vowel, and again this apple is non-specific. So, we are using an with vowel sound and with non-specific objects which are not special. They are general and we are using for the first time. So, we have discussed 3 rules so far. Now, what is the? The is definite article. So, there are again few rules where we use the. We use the with special things. We use the when both speaker and listener know about that object and when there is only one of something. Got it? Now, let's look at this example. I met the teacher who helped me last year. Why? Because we know which teacher is being referred to. We already know about this special teacher. That's why we have used the before the teacher. Now, let's look at this example. I believe only looking at the picture, you will know that we have to use the before the sun. Why? Because there is only one sun. When we have only one of something, we use the before it. Now, let's look at this example. We saw the movie. Why we use the before the movie? Because both speaker and listener knew about it. Got it? Now, to check your understanding, we have designed 2 formative check. One is there is in your book and the other one is there in your practice book, which you can solve it with the help of your teacher and go home and do the rest of the homework with the help of your parent. I hope you have revised and learned something new today. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.